Session will now come to order. Please rise for the Philippine National Anthem.
Sa likod ko'y bukay, upang hinirang ngunit walang pag-ibig. Sa manlulupit, pinakasisingin, sa natatang itlog sa simulat, sa langit ang mahal, ay ilatang tula at awit sa kamay pinamahal. Ang isang ng bata at wikang ay nanatiligay, ang itubig na parang kakayan, ang kanilang bibigin. Lupa ng araw,
Please remain standing for the opening prayer to be led by the Honorable Simando.
Let us pray. Dear Lord, as we deliberate into this session, give us the wisdom to overcome passion. Give us that understanding heart to do away with prejudice. Give us the foresight to know what the future may devise. Give us the courage and strength to seek the truth in what is good. Give us the facility of language that we may be understood. And finally, our Lord, make us worthy public servants of this province. We deeply love and highly honor the province of Camarines Sur, the premier province of the Bicol region. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Honorable Simando. The Secretary is now requested to do the roll call.
Honorable Vice Governor Fortunato C. Peña.
Present.
Honorable Board Member Warren A. Sinyar. Honorable Board Member Darius S. Nopra. Honorable Board Member Fabio F. Figuracion. Honorable Board Member Nelson B. Julia. Honorable Board Member Dito P. Espiritu Jr. Honorable Board Member Emmanuel H. Noble. Honorable Board Member Hilmar S. Pacamara. Honorable Board Member Amador L. Simando.
Present.
Honorable Board Member Giovanni A. Sinyar. Honorable Board Member George R. Bengba. Mr. Chairman, I have the honor to certify the existence of a quorum.
Considering that we now have the quorum, we will now proceed with our session. The Honorable Majority Floor Leader, Honorable Amador Simando, is now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this juncture, may we move for the approval of the journal of the previous session. Journals dated October 13, 2015, the 110th regular session, and October 27, 2015, the 112th regular session.
There is a motion to approve the journals for October 13 and October 27 sessions. Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by the Honorable Noble. Any objection? Hearing none, the same is approved.
Approval of the agenda.
Any inclusion from the body?
The Honorable Bani Sinyar is recognized.
Mr. Chairman, I move for the inclusion of a committee report of the Committee on Public Safety and Disaster Management and Environmental Protection and under item G1, committee report, Mr. Chairman.
Under committee report, anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by the Honorable Pacamara. The same is approved.
Any other inclusion?
Any other inclusions? The Honorable Julia is now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I move for the inclusion of resolution commending Police Senior Superintendent Walfredo Gimpaya Pornelius for his continuous accomplishments and exemplary performance as officer in charge of the Philippine National Police, Camarines Sur Provincial Office, Mr. Chairman, and the business for the day.
Yes, under anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by the Honorable Figuracion and Honorable Simando. Any objection? Hearing none, the same is approved. The Honorable Noble is now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I would like to avail the privilege now.
The Honorable Noble will avail of the privilege time?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yes. Any objection? None. Same is approved.
Any other inclusion from the body?
The Honorable Figuracion is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Inclusion, a resolution commending and congratulating the 5th Congressional District team, Rinconada team, for winning the overall championship both in the elementary and secondary divisions in the recently concluded Palarong Panlalawigan 2015, held at the Freedom Sport Complex, PD Camarines last November 18 to 21, 2015, under business for the day.
And this for the, under business for the day. Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by Honorable Pacamara and the Honorable Simando. Any objection? Hearing none, the same is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. My co-sponsors are Honorable Manuel Noble and Nono Espirito.
Co-sponsors are BMs Noble and Espirito.
Any other inclusions?
Any other inclusions?
May I be recognized, Mr. Chairman?
Yes, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader.
May I move for the inclusion of two resolutions. Number one, a resolution accepting with appreciation and gratitude the 1-unit Nissan Vida motor vehicle with plate number SCN 520 as a donation by the DWRB Radyo ng Bayanaga of the Bureau of Broadcast Services through Director Tito G. Cruz of the Philippine Broadcasting Services to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Camarines.
Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by Honorable Pacamara and Honorable Noble. No objection, same is approved.
Another resolution extending congratulations to Michael Dasmariñas, a resident of Pili, Camarines and a product of Camarines Sports Academy, for successfully defending the World Boxing Council super flyweight title against Thailand boxer Wisanlik Saitung in a 1 minute 22 seconds first round knockout fight of the 2015 WBC World Convention held last November 3 in Kunming, China. Likewise, for being conferred an added title as the WBC Youth Best Fighter of the Year under the business for the day, Mr.
Under business for the day, anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by Honorable Pacamara. Any objection? Hearing none, the same is approved.
My co-sponsor of this resolution is the Honorable Nelson Julio.
The co-sponsor is Honorable Julia.
Okay.
Any other inclusions?
Any other inclusion?
The appearance of...
May I move for the approval of the agenda as amended, Mr. Chairman?
How about the appearance of our guests?
Yes. At this juncture, Mr. Chairman, may we recognize Madam Annabel D. Toy, Regional Head, Wellness Campus 2015, Great Field Team Incorporated, Nestle, Philippines, Santa Mesa, Manila. She hails from the municipality of Tinambak as our honored guest.
So as our guest, but we have to include that first in our agenda.
So may we move the inclusion of in the agenda of our honored guest, Madam Annabel D. Toy.
There is a motion to include in the appearance of guests before the privilege hour being availed of the Honorable Noble, the appearance of our guest, Mrs. Annabel Toy. Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by the Honorable Noble. Any objection? Hearing none, the same is approved. We now proceed to the approval of the agenda.
Yes. May we move for the approval of the agenda as amended?
Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by the Honorable Pacamara. Any objection? Hearing none, the agenda for today as amended is hereby approved. Next item, please.
Appearance of guests.
Appearance of guests.
The appearance of Miss Annabel Tuy.
Ms. Annabel Toy, as Regional Head, Wellness Campus 2015, Great Field Team Incorporated, Nestle, Santa Mesa, Manila.
So, we will suspend the rules to accommodate our guests. Rules suspended. Just to give the body a background of the appearance of Mrs. Toy. She is the head of the wellness program of the DepEd and Nestle Philippines. Fortunately, the contingent, the group from Libmanan High School won the first place in the Bicol regional competition. Now they're here to seek for our support in competing in the national level. So the floor is now given to our guest, Mrs. Annabel Toy. Please go ahead, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Vice Governor, and good morning to each and every one of you, the honorable board members. We are here, as mentioned by our beloved Vice Governor, to seek for your support in terms of a vote. Because of the national, for the national competition, we will be having a voting through the Facebook account. And we will have San Juan National High School to vie for the national competition as against the 6 regions in the Philippines. We have NCR, we have CAR, we have Calabarzon, we also have Central Visayas, Northern Visayas, and we also have Northern Luzon. So in this at this juncture, we are requesting for the support of all the Bicolanos here to have to vote for San Juan National High School, because the proceeds of the cash prize, which is 200,000 pesos for the first place, will go to some program on the alternative learning system for the school, and even for the AVPs and other materials for their MAPE. And aside from that, I would like to announce to you that last year, Bicol Region has won the 3rd place. I am also the supervisor or the regional coordinator last year for Bicol Region, but I am handling also Calabarzon. So it's a great challenge for me now to win the 1st place, because last year, when I am handling 2 areas, I have 2nd place for Calabarzon, and we have 3rd place for Bicol Region represented by Sorsogon National High School. So now, being a resident of Camarines Sur and being a Bicolana, I really wanted San Juan National High School to be the first winner or the grand winner for our 2015 National Competition for Wellness. That is why we are here. And maybe, sir, can I request for some presentation from the group? Actually, they are 50 who danced last September 30 during the regional competition held in Ibalong Centrum, Legazpi City. But now, because of the busy schedules, and we really don't want to alter the schedules of the students, we have here with us 8 students to at least show you how good they really are.
So, okay, what's the pleasure of the body? The Honorable Noprao is from Libmanan, is very proud to sponsor. Anyway, we have suspended the rules. Maybe we can give them a little time so we can see the performance of our group from Libmanan.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Indeed, ako po bilang sarong taga-Libmanan, grabe yan sa kuyang kaugmaan. Mahiling ko lang kamo, mahiling ko lang ang sendong napaka-gayon, asin mabuot na mentor, na kulaw na bagay na po para sa aldaw na ini. Masabi ko lang, Mr. Chairman, sendo mga aki, ma'am, di ka mo malingaw kahit itong tataramo na minsan sinabi, that hope springs eternal. Nang paglaom dahil nung ka napapara sa puso sa daganing sarong tao. Ma'am, mayong imposible, ma'am. Pwede kita mag-number 1, sabi nga ni Kian. Yes, Libmanan can. Yes, Camarines Sur can.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
And bilang po, sana magkatawa ng inspirasyon para ini sa mga tasinda po minarepresentar kan mga jóvenes kan Camarines Sur, asin kan Bicolandia. And dakulang bagay na kamo mga kababayan ko, mga taga-Libmanan. Ako ma'am, apwera kan mga kung may papasar kami ngunya na aksyon sa sanggunang panlalawigan. Saan po kamo madayo, ma'am?
Actually, it's online voting, so we don't need to go and
Mayo ka mong dudumanan.
Online voting.
We just have submitted a video presentation which was validated by Nestle Philippines and the Great Field Team. So
Di kampanyata ka mo, ma'am.
Thank
Sa
you.
kabos na nagiinan yung pungunyan, ang lambang boto ng inspirasyon para sa mga jóvenes, kaki ang kanlibmanan na kang Camarines Sur. Tama po, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Ini, ma'am, live streaming po kita. Ini po, yan ang magayon na kaisipan ni Vice Governor Ato Peña. Saro po palang kayo ng pagkakataong Vice Gov, na kayo po ang suporta kan mga jóvenes, kanlibmanan na Camarines Sur. Magagamit na po ang esperso kan sanggunang panalawigan. Tano po, ma'am? Live streaming po kita ngunyan.
Okay, sir.
The whole world, nahihiling po ang presentasyon mo. Itong magayonon mong paliwanag asin kan mga aking ini. Kaya sana po, duman sa mga nagdadalang ngunyan, sa mga taga-media, sa mga barkada niya to, tarabangan ta po ang mga kaakian kang Camarines Sur. Tama po, ma'am?
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Asin Vice Gov, salamat po. Dahil sa ginibo mo sa panlalawigan, sa transparency, dahil nga po, nagabutsel daw, nakatabang pa kita sa mga jóvenes pagkampanya. Digdi mabotohan, sinda. Tapos po sa party ko man po, pagpasensyaan po nindo, makatawa man akong dikit na kantidad mo yan para sa mga haki, kan Camarines Sur, kung ano man. Kasi nahiling ko, may costume sinda, may gastusan sinda, siyempre naglalakaw-lakaw man kamo. Pwede man po ko makataw kasi sila 3,000 ngunyan sa inda.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Ay.
But,
Congrats.
sir, just to give you an update, this school has already won 70,000 pesos in cash from our company because as representative or as the winner of the division competition, which was attended by our beloved Vice Governor, they have already been awarded with 20,000 pesos in cash. And then last September 30, when they have won for the regional competition, they also have won 50,000 pesos in cash, which part of it, they have bought some, I think it's a video, TV, something for your school, and at least enough to give them some money for their for the video presentation that they have made. And still, we would like to welcome the sponsorship of 3,000 pesos for the snacks of these children. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. You're very much welcome, ma'am. And sa rupa po baga, ma'am,
Yes.
may rasunan magtaw si Boboy Nopra. Mapasko po baga.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you very much, Sir Rato.
Yeah,
Okay.
Sa
thank you.
sangguniang panalabigan. Sa sento po ka, boss, na nagmamakulog sa mga aking ini. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you
Okay.
very much po.
Congratulations.
Again po, we do request for your support in terms of votes, but monetary support like this, I guess, will
Yes.
be welcomed by the
Yes.
students. Thank you
Isibog
po.
mo dyan, ha? Isibog mo lang. Okay, so, is it okay with the body if we give them at least 2 minutes to perform? Okay, dikit man lang sila. Tanganing may idea po kita. Actually, this representation has been invited during the provincial competition, which was held in Kanakman. So, the Libmanan, San Juan Libmanan won the competition. They competed in the regional level. So, sinda po ang nanggana sa regional level. Hilingon ta po, kung mayo man objection sa body, anyway, suspended ang rules. Kasi we give you time. Siguro, madali lang ni, madali lang. Sige. Palakpakan tapuan mga Tagalibanan. Yan. Music.
Can you see?
Music.
While waiting for the music to be played, just an announcement. Last night, when we have started with the voting, Bicol or San Juan National High School is second place. But as of this morning, they are now on the fourth place.
Fourth
So,
place.
yes.
Oh.
So please, we do need your support. Just log on to www.choosewellness.com.ph. Then look for the entry of San Juan National High School. Then click vote. Yun po ang process ng pagboto natin.
So, i-open po nindo ang mga Facebook accounts nindo, Facebook accounts. Ibutuhan ta po ang San Juan. Si mga nagdadalan po sa internet, iyo po ini ang mga ang representative. Actually, dakulon sinda ka nag-perform sinda kaya lang ini garo si core group lang. Just for all of us to have an idea kung paano sila nag-perform. Kaya lang garo, we're having technical problem.
Pardon, sir. Is it okay if we can just show you the presentation now that I have seen an FB, which is open, so that we could
Sige.
give you a sample on how to vote, and then you can watch at least the video presentation that San Juan National High School has made.
Sige, open mo mon.
www.choosewellness.com.ph. Assist mo na, please.
Ano yan? So, we have technical problems. So,
In lieu of the technical problems brought by, ano yun? CD? Okay, so perhaps, gentlemen, may I request that you just have to witness the presentation of the video? Guys, you may take your seat na muna siguro.
sige, please take your seats. Garo, we're having problems with our player.
Okay, so now we are on still on the fourth with 482 votes.
So, play. Play it. Sige. Dapat po manggana ini taga Camarines Sur and nag-champion na sa Bicol. Dapat siguro tarabangan ta.
Basta Bicolano po, baga Oragon.
Yeah, that's it. Iyan po ang grupo nila.
Walang audio.
Volume.
Volume, please. Volume, no?
Ama yung audio.
That's during the regional competition in Ibalong Centrum. By the way, we have 13 divisions vying for the regional championship last September 30, and this school has won the grand prize.
Pirang minutes yan, ma'am?
Tapos na po.
Okay.
Okay.
So, siguro enough na. Now we have seen already. You see, Libmanan is the biggest town in Kamsur. So, if all Libmaninos will vote, I'm sure the school will win in the national competition. Tarabangan ta po sa mga taga Camarines Sur, especially ito niya raong po digningon niya sa Sangguniang Palalawigan. I think that's enough. We still have other items to discuss. Let's give a big hand for San Juan. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Annabel. Thank you for being with us this morning. Okay. Session will now resume.
Privileged hour of failed by Honorable Noble. The privileged hour.
We now go to the privilege hour. The Honorable Noble is now recognized. To the kids of Libmanan, congratulations. Good luck. God bless you all. The Honorable Noble is now recognized.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. It is pertaining, Mr. Chair, during my committee report, the Karaman Community College, last November 24, 2015. As the chairman of Committee on Education, I would like to give some important view pertaining to that community college. The Honorable Chairman, my esteemed colleagues in this August body, the invited guests, the employees of Sangguniang Panglalawigan, the media group, a pleasant day to all of you. The humble representation has invoked this privilege today to discuss before the August body the action of component municipality of enforcing an ordinance which was disapproved on review by the Sangguniang Panglalawigan and therefore enforcing an invalid ordinance. You see, Mr. Chairman, on November 24 and November 2014, the municipality of Caramuan submitted the resolution number 146 series of 2014, enacting an ordinance establishing the Caramuan Community College as an economic enterprise and in providing funds for the operation and maintenance and other purposes. For review by this August body, which was disapproved on January 21, 2015 during regular session. Allow me to give you preview of the Caramuan Community College. Based on the info given by the honorable official of the Commission on Higher Education, chaired the administration, the official of the Caramuan Community College, its Board of Trustees, the BOT, and some honorable official of the local government unit of Caramuan, who were present during the series of committee meetings called for the purpose by the committee. It was established that, Mr. Chairman, the Caramuan Community College, or it is known as CQ, was established sometime in the year 1977 during the terms of office of Mayor Alarcon. It has been in operation for about 37 years up to the present now. That the municipal ordinance and school charter give mandate to its organization in 1977, wherein as of today, there are no more available copies on file in its presumably loose. That the CQ, number 3, that the CQ was giving recognition by the Ministry of Education Culture and Sports in 1983 during the incumbency of Mayor Padua, presumably based on Section 27, recognition of the school of Batas Pambansa bilang 232, the Education Act of 1992, it was giving a government permit number R-02-02-0-01998. In number 4, the Karaman Community College, it is known as CCube, is being managed by the school administrator in the person of Dr. Yolanda Santelices. That the CCube as the school treasurer in the person of Mrs. Nina Sancho, a college registrar in the person of Mr. Romulo Naag, a faculty president in the person of Mr. Macario B. Flores Jr., and the teaching staff who are all non-government employees. The number 5, Mr. Chairman, that the CCube is located in Barangay Terogo, Caramuan, Camarines Sur, on a lot brought by the community college using its internal or private funds derived from their income. Gusto sabihin, nakakadel sila ng lote based on that income, not in that in a LGO fund. Then number 6, Mr. Chairman, the CCube stand on a single school building, provide for the local government unit of Caramuan, and constructed using government-owned money borrowed through a loan with the Philippine Postal Bank. Then number 7, due to the disapproval of Resolution number 146, series of 2014, the Caramuan Community College did not qualify as an economic enterprise of the local of Caramuan. That number 8, that the LGU Caramuan has not acquired nor owned the Caramuan Community College due to the non-existence of any agreement, deed of donation, deed of sale, or any other document transferring to the ownership of the said local government unit. My esteemed colleagues, as I've previously stated, sometime in November 2014, the municipality of Caramuan submitted resolution number 146 series of 2014 enacting an ordinance establishing the Caramuan Community College as an economic enterprise and providing funds for the operation and maintenance in other purposes, which was disapproved on review and declared invalid by this august body. That the said resolution ordinance was declared invalid and disapproved due to the following reason: that upon through review of the Sangguniang Committee on Higher Technical Education, chaired by the Ambor representation, it was found that resolution ordinance was enacted beyond the scope of power and authority conferred upon by the Sangguniang Bayan of Caramuan, Camarines Sur, for not even complied with the required documents such as a feasibility study, letter B, certificate of availability of funds, letter C, project development plan, and then letter D, the 5 years institutional development plan of CHED Memorandum Order number 4, series of 2007. In that it has come to the attention of the committee that there was already an existing college of the same which is a previous with the privately owned. Thus, establishing a college with the same name is not recommendable. And in that there is no clear showing of the certificate of title in favor of the local government unit, nor or definite answer on what basis that LGU holds title of the property. Now, Mr. Chairman, after disapproval of the said ordinance, this Ambor representation during the committee meeting of the Sangguniang Panglalawigan Committee on Higher and Technical Education conducted last November 3 to my representation 2015 heir of the Sangguniang Speciation Hall, it was found out that based on the declaration of esteemed guests from the Caramuan community of Caramuan, Camarines Sur, composed no other than the Honorable Vice Mayor Irene R. Breeze. SB Member and Committee Education Chairman Kagawad Manolo Pineda, SB Member Juanita Villasa, SB Member Raul Villarete, SB Member Dick H. Cordial, the Administrator, the Official, and the Student Council, President of the Caraman Community College. It was found out that on September 4, 2015, the Camarines Sur Community College Board of Trustees composed of the following. So, Engineer Constantino H. Cordial, Municipal Mayor, at the same time the Chairman. Then Dr. George M. Colorado, the Director for Chief Regional Office of the Region 5 as considered member. Honorable Manolo E. Pineda is the member as Chairman of Committee on Education, automatic member of the committee. Then Mr. Edmundo R. Ruiz, Agriculture Sector. Mr. Macario Flores Jr., Faculty President as member. Mr. Jeffrey Padua, Alumni President as member. Dr. Yolanda Santelices, College Administrator. At the same time, the Vice Chairman is considered during that meeting. It was considered absent. Then a name LACU President as also member but considered absent. That the above stated Board of Trustees issue Board of Resolution number 1, 10, 2, 3 up to number 4, series of 2015, dated September 4, 2015. Ini po kaya nag-come up during the time of meeting. That the said Board Resolution number 1, 2015 called for the audit on the operation at the Caramuan Community College. Saro yan sa inaagad kang composition kang board. Then the Board of Resolution number 2, series of 2015, calls for the payment made for the Caramuan Community College be through the Municipal Treasurer Office and shall be properly give a receipt. And then the Board Resolution number 3, series of 2015, call for that all funds of the Caramuan Community College that are in the custody of the treasurer at the school should be transferred to the municipal treasurer as soon as possible. And then last that resolution number 4, series of 2015, also called for the use of general fund as the salary for the teaching and non-teaching staff of the Caraman Community College. That the above stated board resolution were made without legal basis because the Caraman Community College is not yet owned by the local government unit of Caraman. Now, Mr. Chairman, aside from that, Mr. Chairman, during the said meeting, the AMBO representation stressed that the demarcation line by the established between the college and the local government unit of Caramuan, a demarcation line between the powers of the mayor as the local chief executive from his power as chairman of the Caraman Community College Board of Trustees, for they are not entirely different function. Gustong sabihin, Mr. Chair, garo ang representation po ni mayor duman po sa inda pong meeting, garong mayo pong authority of the Sangguniang Bayan. Garo separate entity. Garo day po sinda pwedeng sabion na saro. Dahil po nga ni based duman sa paliwanag ni Vice Mayor Breeze, mayo po sindang authority pinagtao kay Mayor Cordial. Now, Mr. Chairman, the point that I would like to raise before this honorable body is that despite the advice given by this humble representation and the representative of the CHED, which was acknowledged by the Honorable Vice Mayor of Caramuan during the committee meeting, that the LGU of Caramuan refrained from enforcing the said BOT resolution before the enactment and approval on an ordinance providing for the acquisition of the Caramuan Community College by the local government of Caramuan. There are reports coming from the Honorable Vice Mayor of Karamuan in front of the sources as well as the personnel from the local government unit of Karamuan continues to collect payments made to the Karamuan Community College. That the propriety dictate that the Sangguniang Panglalawigan should do something to stop this illegal transaction being made by the local government of Karamuan through Mayor Cordial. In this light, Mr. Chairman, I would like to submit the minutes of the November 3, 2015 meeting proposed to the pass in resolution to the effect what was agreed upon. Garo po kanina tandaan ko, Mr. Chair, garo kuyan po kita naka-video po kita during the time of committee meeting. So, gusto ko pong i-establish, Mr. Chair, dahil data po ini gustong palampason. Garo, digdi po nailing ko, kung dahil na po kita nagsusunod, digdi po sa mga dapat gibuon, even the CHED, I think, Mr. Chair, it is now considered illegal on the part of that action. Kaya gawa po akong pinag-prepare na resolution, Mr. Chair, considering na baka pwede pong makalaog digdi po sa under business of the day. Mayroon pa akong pinag-prepare, Mr. Chair, resolution enjoining the municipal official of the municipality of Karamuan to refrain from the interfering in the affairs of the Karamuan Community College until such time that the ownership of the old Karamuan Community College is fully transferred to the municipality of Karamuan. In such operation of the local community college shall be accordance with the local government code in CHED Memorandum Order Number 04 Series of 2007. Gusto lang pong dahil nasakuyan po kita na sa
privilege hour. So we'll include that in the business for the day.
So ini po, Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong ipaaram dito po sa August body na ini po pagrespeto sa resolusyon na pinag-disapprove kang Sangguniang Panglalawigan. Anyway, mayo po kita digding malis, mayo po kitang ginigibong action na ang katuyan kang committee garong mapatamata ang mga salang gibo, especially dito po sa mga ginigibo kang mga local executive na ang katuyan po kang committee magkaigwa kita ning maray na legal, igwa po kitang legal basis, saka po magsunod kita duman sa tamang proseso, especially dito sa CHED. So, yan lang po, Mr. Chair. So, ini pong pagpaabot ko ng informasyon, ini po dahil na paggibon kang iba pang mga executive, tanganing dahil po mapirwisyo and the funding precisely in that local government. Salamat po.
So, you're putting that into a motion to transfer, to pass it?
So, Mr. Chair, I move to include in that
in the business for the day, the passage of
the resolution.
Okay. So, what is the pleasure of the majority floor leader?
Well, I can even second the motion.
Yes. Seconded. So it's now transferred in the business for the day.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Chairman.
F3, circulars, letters, and other communications.
May I move, Mr. Chairman, that items F3A to F3C inclusive be referred to the appropriate committee?
Okay. So F3A to F3C are hereby referred to the concerned committees as marked.
F4, review of municipal and city resolutions and ordinances.
May I also move that items F4A to E4U inclusive be referred to appropriate committee as marked.
So F4A to F4F
U
are hereby referred to the concerned committees as marked.
Calendar of business, committee report, Committee on Agriculture, Aquaculture, and Agrarian Reform.
The Honorable Julia is now recognized.
This is the review, Mr. Chairman, of Municipal Ordinance number 01 series of 2015 of the Municipality of Del Gallego, Camarines Sur, entitled An Ordinance Promoting the Development of a Sustainable Organic Agriculture in the Municipality of Del Gallego, Camarines Sur, and creating the Del Gallego, Camarines Sur Sustainable Organic Agriculture Stakeholder Council, and providing funds therefore. After the careful review of the documents submitted, the ordinance is within the scope and powers vested upon the Sangguniang concerned. In same is accordance with Section 447 of the Local Government Code of 1991. And after the consideration of the foregoing, the committee hereby declared the ordinance valid and recommended for approval. I move for the approval, Mr. Chairman, of Municipal Ordinance number 01, series of 2015 of the Municipality of Del Gallego, Camarines Sur.
Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by Honorable Simando, Honorable Senior, Honorable Figuracion, and Honorable Noble. Any objection? Hearing none, the same committee report is hereby approved and adopted.
Committee on Laws and Review.
The Honorable Simando is now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This is a committee report of the Committee on Laws and Review consisting of 6 items, namely, number 1, Resolution number 96, series of 2015 of the Municipality of Del Gallego, Camarines Sur. This is a resolution authorizing the Honorable Mayor Lydia B. Abarrientos in behalf of the local government unit of Del Gallego, Camarines Sur to enter into a deed of donation of real property with the Del Gallego Water District represented by the General Manager, Dr. Evelyn B. Garcia, as the donee of the 3 hectares watershed located at Barangay Pinugusan, Del Gallego, Camarines Sur. Recommendation, the committee hereby recommends approval of Resolution number 68, series of 2015 of LGU Del Gallego. Number 2, Resolution number 101 of the Municipality of Del Gallego, Camarines Sur. This is a resolution donating a portion of the municipal site located at Barangay Kumadog-Kadog, Del Gallego, Camarines Sur with an area of 400 square meters to the Bureau of Fire Protection, Del Gallego, Camarines Sur to be used in the establishment, construction of a permanent municipal fire station. Recommendation, the committee hereby recommends approval of Resolution number 101, series of 2015 of the Municipality of Del Gallego. Number 3, this is a Resolution number 102, series of 2015 of the Municipality of Del Gallego. This is a resolution authorizing Honorable Lydia B. Abarrientos, Municipal Mayor, in behalf of the Municipality of Del Gallego, Camarines Sur, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of the Interior and Local Government, represented herein referred to as the DILG Region 5 with principal address at DILG Compound, Rizal Estate, Legazpi City, represented by Director Eloisa T. Pastor C. Sopor in the implementation of programs and projects under the Performance Challenge Fund for local government units as the flagship program of the DILG. Recommendation, the resolution is declared valid and is recommended for approval. Number 4, Resolution number 103, series of 2015 of the Municipality of Del Gallego, Camarines Sur. This is a resolution authorizing Honorable Lydia B. Abarrientos, Municipal Mayor, in behalf of the Municipality of Del Gallego, Camarines Sur, to enter into a memorandum agreement with the Technical Education and Skills Authority, TESDA, Camarines Sur Provincial Office, with office address at 2nd floor, Dolly Building, City Hall Complex, Naga City, represented by its Provincial Director, Ruth E. Dayawin, referred to as TESDA, Camarines Sur, with the Camarines-Sur International School, a private and business entity recognized by TESDA and designated by NAPC as Abot Alam Service Provider with principal office at San Juan Avenue South, Centro Sipukot, Camarines-Sur, represented by its president, Sinaida B. Lurin, PhD, herein referred to as the School for the Realization of the Education for All Goals in the Millennium Development Goals by provision of training skills to out-of-school youth and unemployed young generation. Recommendation, the resolution is hereby declared valid and is recommended for approval. Number 5, Resolution number 104 series of 2015, resolution authorizing Honorable Lydia B. Abarrientos, Municipal Mayor, in behalf of the Municipality of Dilgaligo, Camarines-Sur, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Health Regional Office number 5, herein referred to as the DOH RO5, with office address at Legazpi City, represented by Emilia Munisimpo, MD, MPH, in her capacity as OIC Director for and the implementation of the approved list of health facilities, including the purchase of equipment under the 2015 Health Facilities Enhancement Program. Recommendation, the resolution is hereby declared valid and is recommended for approval. Number 6, resolution ordinance of the province of Camarines-Sur. This is a resolution / ordinance creating persons with disability affairs office in the province of Camarines-Sur and allocating funds therefore and for other purposes. A recommendation, the resolution / ordinance is hereby declared valid and is recommended for approval. May I move for the approval of this committee report consisting of 6 items which I have already read.
Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by Honorable Noble. Any objection? Hearing none, the same committee report is hereby approved and adopted.
The committee report of Honorable Giovanni Senyar.
The Honorable Bani Senyar is now recognized.
Mr. Chairman, this is a committee report of the Committee on Public Safety and Disaster Management and Environmental Protection. This is regarding the resolution authored by Honorable Emmanuel H. Noble, resolution urging all local chief executives of the component local government units, LGUs within the territorial jurisdiction of the province of Camarines-Sur to create an office in the respective local government units that will perform the functions, duties, and responsibilities on natural resources management, disaster risk reduction management, and climate change adaptation. Mr. Chairman, this is a resolution reiterating or reminding the local government units to implement the provisions of RA 9003, otherwise known as the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, RA 9729, otherwise known as the Climate Change Act of 2009, and RA 10121, known as the Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction Management Act of 2010. And mandates LGUs to create, establish, and/or institutionalize an office that will perform or integrate the task of protecting, conserving, and utilizing sustainably our resources and implement disaster risk reduction program and climate change adaptation, Mr. Chairman. The committee hereby recommends that this resolution recommended for approval, Mr. Chairman.
Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by the Honorable Simando. The same committee report is hereby approved and adopted.
Mr. Chairman, I further move that the said resolution be finally approved, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, nainot na ako. So that has been approved already. So,
Business for the
other?
day. Naman na po, sir. Tapos na.
Business for the day.
For the day. Ordinance approving supplemental budget number 2 for COA 2015 of the province of Camarines-Sur.
The Honorable Warren Senyar of the 1st District of Camarines-Sur
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
is hereby recognized.
May I Mr. Chairman, from the chair for the chair to instruct the provincial secretary to read the letter of Governor Mix Villafort addressed to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan.
The secretary is so directed to read the communication from the governor as requested by the chairman of the Committee on Finance and Appropriation, the gentleman from the 1st District of Camarines Sur.
November 20, 2015, the honorable members, Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Camarines Sur through Honorable Fortunato C. Peña, Vice Governor and Presiding Officer, Legislative Building, Canlanpili, Camarines Sur. Gentlemen, Madam, please include in the agenda of your next session the herein proposed appropriations for inclusion in our CY 2015 Supplemental Budget Number 2 of the General Fund is A. General Fund, Source of Funds, 1. Savings from Personal Services, Salaries and Related Costs, 61 million. Savings from MOOE, 8,590,326 pesos and 82 centavos. Total savings, 69,590,326 pesos and 82 centavos. Object of expenditures, maintenance and other operating expenses, 61 million. Capital outlay, 8,590,326 pesos and 82 centavos. Total appropriation, 69,590,326 pesos and 82 centavos. Unappropriated balance. Hoping that this request will be acted immediately. Very truly yours, signed, Miguel Luis R. Villafair, the Governor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. What is now pending now, Mr. Chairman, is an ordinance authorizing supplemental budget number 2 for fiscal year 2015 involving an amount of
69,590,326
and 82 centavos to cover expenditures for
MOE
in the general fund. I move for its approval, Mr. Chairman.
Any second? Duly seconded by Honorable Bani Senior, Honorable Nopra, Honorable Simando. Do I hear any objection? The chair hears none. The same is approved. Next item, please.
The inclusion of Honorable Julia.
The inclusion of the Honorable Julia under business for the day.
This is the resolution, Mr. Chairman, commending Police Senior Superintendent Walfredo Gimpaya Cornelius for his continuous accomplishments and exemplary performance as officer in charge of the Philippine National Police Camarines Sur Provincial Office. Whereas, in the line with the programs of Philippine National Police, the Camarines Sur Police Provincial Office, through the strong leadership of Police Senior Superintendent Walfredo Cornelius, numerous crime-related activities were apprehended and accomplished under his control as officer in charge of the Camarines Sur PNP CSPPO. Whereas through the PNP Patrol Plan 2030, the Camarines Sur Provincial Officer, together with city and municipal police stations, and the entire Camarines Sur Provincial Command, under the supervision of Police Senior Superintendent Cornelius, successfully provided continuous security and protection to the community by conducting different activities and responded every action on the day-to-day incident happening in the province of Camarines Sur. Whereas the Camarines Sur Provincial Office and other PNP agencies conducted series of anti-illegal drugs operation in the province of Camarines Sur in compliance with the one-time, big-time operation against illegal drugs. The Upland Lambat Sibat and PNP Patrol Plan 2030, which resulted on the apprehension of drug pushers, users, and other illegal drug operation, and a joint operation with different municipal and city police station in the province of Camarines Sur. Whereas the Upland Lambat Sibat is also implemented in the province, which is a deliberate, programmatic, and sustained approach taken by the PNP to combat criminality nationwide, where it uses wide dragnet and targeted operations to catch small-time criminals and repeat offenders, which was proven effective in Metro Manila and nearby areas. Whereas intensified intervention by the provincial PNP is evident through setting up of checkpoints, deployment of foot patrol, creating police visibility in crime-prone areas, and a more focused intelligence-driven operation against wanted persons and members of criminal groups. Aside from police-related activities, Police Senior Superintendent Cornelius also implemented regular conduct of physical fitness of the entire personnel of the PNP Camarines Sur Provincial Office, including peace marathon and Zumba dance classes. May Zumba pa. Such display of leadership, dedication, and commitment to services is an accomplishment characterized by the performance of a sworn duty, which largely contributes to the attainment of plans, programs, and projects of the entire PNP organizations. Whereas he has shown his natural ability and capacity for his aggressive and responsive leadership to the provincial PNP in terms of his successful drive to enhance the law against lawlessness in illegal activities in the entire province. Whereas this representation, Mr. Chairman, hereby extend its deepest gratitude to Police Senior Superintendent Walfredo G. Cornelius, a man of integrity and principle who effortlessly regained the trust of the community and constituent in the police force through his selfless efforts to strengthen the Camarines Sur Provincial Philippine National Police. This commendation is hereby given for his exemplary performance and accomplishment as officer in charge in the Philippine National Police, Camarines Sur Provincial Office, Mr. Chairman. I move for the approval of this resolution, Mr. Chairman.
Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by the Honorable Noble, Honorable Figuracion, and Honorable Simando. Any objection? Hearing none, the same resolution is hereby approved.
Inclusion of Honorable Figuracion.
The inclusion of the Honorable Figuracion.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Inclusion under business for the day. A resolution commending and congratulating the 5th Congressional District Team, Rinconada team, for winning the overall championship both in elementary and secondary divisions in the recently concluded Palarong Panlalawigan 2015 held at the Freedom Sports Complex, Pilicam Sur, last November 18 to 21, 2015. My co-sponsors are BM Noble and BM Espiritu. I will not read the whereas, Mr. Chair. I move for the approval of the said resolution.
Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by Honorable Simando. Any objection? Hearing none, the same resolution is approved.
The inclusions of Honorable Simando.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This is a resolution accepting with appreciation and gratitude the 1 unit Nissan Vida motor vehicle with plate number ACN-520 as a donation by the DWRB Region ng Bayan Naga of the Bureau of Broadcast Services to Director Tito G. Cruz of the Philippine Broadcasting Services to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Camarines Sur. May I move for the approval of this resolution?
Anybody seconding the motion? Duly seconded by Honorable Figuracion and Honorable Noble. Any objection? The chair hears none. The same resolution is approved.
There's another resolution, Mr. Chairman, under the business for the day. This is a resolution extending congratulations to Michael Dasmariñas, a resident of Pili, Camarines Sur, and a product of Camarines Sur Sports Academy, for successfully defending the World Boxing Council, the WBC, Super Flyweight title against Thailand boxer Wisanlik Sitsaitong in a 1 minute 22 seconds first round knockout fight of the 2015 WBC World Convention held last November 3, 2015 in Kunming, China, likewise for being conferred an added title as the WBC Youth Best Fight of the Year. May I move for the approval of this resolution?
Anybody second? Duly seconded by Honorable Bani Senior and Honorable Noble. Any objection? The chair hears none. The same resolution is approved.
Thank you, Chair Honorable Noble.
The Honorable Noble is now recognized.
Resolution enjoining the municipal official of the municipality of Caramoan to refrain from interfering in the affairs of the Caramoan Community College until such time that the ownership of the old Caramoan Community College is fully transferred to the municipality of Caramoan. In such operation of the local community college shall be in the accordance with the local governing code and CHED Memorandum Order number 04 series of 2007. Subject for style, Mr. Chair. I move for the approval.
Subject to style. Anybody seconding the motion of the Honorable Noble? Duly seconded by the Honorable Simando. Any objection? Hearing none, the same resolution is hereby approved. Any other items?
Other matters? Announcements? Reminders?
Other matters? Any announcement from the body?
Mr. Chairman, there being no more other matters to take up, may we move for the adjournment?
Next session? Next Tuesday. Monday is holiday, so Tuesday. Tuesday is December 1. So that will be our first session day for... Yes, the Honorable Julia.
Before the adjournment, Mr. Chairman, may I request that on our next session to invite the presence of DPW Second Engineering District, the second engineer, and from DNR.
Second Engineering District, that is you are referring to the first, the third district.
District engineer process.
For district engineer.
Regarding the status of widening and the mga remaining postikan, mga kasuriko, kahoy, as in iba pang mga nakaulang sa gilid ng tinampo na pwedeng magkausan ng disgrasya din po sa tuyang Maharlika Highway.
So, okay. So, that's the second district.
Second district.
Second Engineering District. Any other matters? So, there was already a motion, duly seconded, to adjourn. Session is adjourned. Next session is December 1. Thank you very much. Good morning and may God bless you all.